Are you ready to explore the fascinating cities of Australia, each offering its own unique charm and experiences? From bustling coastal metropolises to laid-back urban hubs, Australia has a city for every traveler's taste. Join us as we uncover the top 5 cities to visit down under, packed with adventure, culture, and breathtaking landscapes. Number 5. Adelaide. Nestled on the southern coast of Australia, Adelaide is a hidden gem known for its vibrant festivals, picturesque parklands, and thriving food and wine scene. Wander through the Adelaide Central Market to sample local produce, explore the cultural precinct of North Terrace, or venture to the nearby Adelaide Hills for stunning vineyard views. With its relaxed atmosphere and rich heritage, Adelaide offers a perfect blend of city life and natural beauty. Number 4. Perth. Perth, the sun-soaked capital of Western Australia, boasts stunning beaches, a laid-back lifestyle, and a burgeoning arts and culinary scene. Take a stroll along the Swan River foreshore, visit the historic Fremantle markets, or embark on a day trip to Rottnest Island to meet the friendly quokkas. Perth's mix of urban cool and natural wonders makes it a must-visit destination on Australia's west coast. Number 3. Brisbane. Situated along the banks of the Brisbane River, Queensland's capital city combines outdoor adventures with cosmopolitan delights. Explore the lush South Bank parklands, climb the iconic Story Bridge for panoramic city views, or venture to the nearby Moreton Island for snorkeling and sand dune adventures. Brisbane's warm climate and friendly locals create a welcoming atmosphere for travelers. Number 2. Melbourne. Melbourne, the cultural capital of Australia, is renowned for its artsy laneways, diverse cuisine, and vibrant event scene. Lose yourself in the hidden cafes and street art of Hosier Lane, savor world-class dining experiences in the city's multicultural neighborhoods, or catch a sporting event at the iconic Melbourne Cricket Ground. With its bustling markets and eclectic neighborhoods, Melbourne offers endless exploration. Number 1. Sydney. Australia's most iconic city, Sydney captivates visitors with its stunning harbour, famous landmarks, and vibrant beaches. Climb the Sydney Harbour Bridge for panoramic views, relax on the golden sands of Bondi Beach, or catch a show at the Sydney Opera House. Whether you're exploring the historic Rocks District or taking a ferry to Manly, Sydney promises unforgettable experiences. Have you had the pleasure of visiting any of these incredible cities in Australia? Share your favorite memories and recommendations in the comments below. If you're dreaming of an Australian adventure, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, happy travels!